A look down the new secondary dock this week revealed that everything is relatively quiet, and that leads one naturally to wonder, what next? I'll look into answering that question this week. But first, there was at least one significant event. Tuesday morning saw a large tarpaulin-covered bundle on the dock. Little time was lost in beginning to remove the tarpaulin. As everything was tidied up, it quickly became apparent that the originating source was Dam, builders of the Wolf Islander 4. Opening the first crate provided little clue to the contents. Even with the wooden sides completely removed, protective wrapping around the contents continued to conceal its nature. Only when the wrap was removed did it become clear that we were looking at cabinets. The afternoon would see them both moved into the battery building. An operation undertaken with considerable care. And completed with total success. The remainder of the week was pretty quiet on the dock, with the odd early finish. Whatever work continued seemed to be inside the buildings. That gives us the opportunity to think about what's next, and with the new secondary dock, to all intents and purposes complete, ask the question, why is the Wolf Islander 4 still running into the old ramp? After all, the original plans call for that dock to be extended in the next phase. And that cannot happen whilst it's in use. I won't profess to know the answer, but I do have a theory. I'd like you to note these two attachment points on either end of the boat. Combined with lines ashore and a vacuum mooring system when one is in use, they hold the boat firmly to the dock, engaged by hooks on the apron. The greatest stability is achieved when the full length of the boat is against the dock or a solid object. On this projection of the way the final primary dock will appear, a dolphin is present to counter any turning moment caused by wind or current. If we look at the situation on the secondary dock, there is no dolphin present, and the Wolf Islander 4 overhangs the finger dock by just over a third of its length. This possible oversight may have led to a decision in December last year to give notice of the intention to build one. There is no indication that work on this dolphin will begin soon, but if it's considered necessary that the dolphin is installed before the boat can safely use the secondary dock, then it's going to be some time before the next phase begins, and the new facilities will remain dormant in the meantime. I think we all hope that this is not the case, but only time will tell. Thanks for watching.